Ready to unlock the power of WhatsApp for automated marketing and skyrocket your customer engagement? Let's dive into setting up API campaigns in Aisensy, step by step. First, log into your Aisensy account and navigate to the API campaigns section in the dashboard. Click on the Create Campaign button to start a new campaign. Give your campaign a descriptive name. This will help you track its performance later. Now, define your target audience segment. You can either upload a CSV file of your contacts or select from your existing contact list. Within Aisensy, set the start and end dates for your campaign. Choose a pre-approved WhatsApp message template from the drop-down menu. Remember, WhatsApp requires all templates to be pre-approved to prevent spam. Personalize your message template by adding variables. This allows you to insert dynamic content like customer names, order details, or any other relevant information, making your messages highly engaging. Schedule your campaign to be sent at the optimal time for your audience. You can choose to send immediately or schedule it for a later date and time. Review all your campaign details carefully on the confirmation screen. Double-check your audience, message template, and schedule. Once you're satisfied, click the Launch Campaign button to activate your campaign. Track your campaign's performance in real time through the Aisensy dashboard. Monitor key metrics like delivery rates, open rates, and click-through rates to optimize your future campaigns. Now you're all set to leverage the power of Aisensy API for effective WhatsApp marketing.